fully automatic powder film packing machine. Now our powder packing machine is packing flour. Set packing weight 50 grams, bag length 20 centimeters. Spiral weigher weighing 50 grams of flour while mixing. This prevents the flour from clumping or balling up. Customized films are stretched open on rollers and coated. Ensure that the film enters the former without wrinkles. Color type transformers to make films into tubes. Fill with 50 grams of flour, heat and seal. Packing of foot seals in progress. Packed 50 grams bags of flour are transported out by conveyor belt. This is our fully automatic powder packing machine. Contact us to get a quote and detailed parameters of the packing machine.